Hey, I'm Sarah. I am 14 years old and my passion is to cook. I love cooking. I can't tell you how much that I enjoy cooking. Cook almost every day. My favorite thing. Anyway, my family and I, we own this very big backyard and we have tons of garden beds and pots full of plants. And today I'm going to show you guys how to properly harvest lettuce. I am right now sitting in front of my lettuce garden bed that we recently planted, and they're finally big enough for me to harvest them, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get right into it.